Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, AREA21 with a song called Followers. Yeah, so Followers is very easy to play. We handpicked those songs here in this channel. And yeah, so 4 chords and the capo on the 2nd fret. Let's go. So we start with the chord here, which will be E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord, B minor, so you need to bar the 2nd fret from the A string and down, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, and I believe this will be the chord progression for the whole entire song. So now it's just about to handle this chord in different ways here. So let's start with the first part there, the intro part. So you will play only 1 down on each chord, and you will play that for 2 rounds of this chord progression. So G, B minor, and A. Again, E, G, B minor, and A. And now for the first verse here, oh maybe you will see the world, that's in the lyrics. We'll start with E, and we will start to learn a strumming pattern. This strumming pattern will be down, down, up, down, up. So we can illustrate that with an E chord here, that is the first chord. So down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. You will do that 1 time for each chord. So then you move on to the G, B minor, and A. For this first verse, you will play this chord progression for 2 rounds. So 2 rounds of E, G, B minor, and A. Then comes the pre-chorus there. I saw a pretty girl. That's in the lyrics. Still same chords and still the same strumming there. 2 rounds of this chord progression, and that is the pre-chorus. And then comes a prolonged pre-chorus, kind of a refrain there. It feels like ooh, like this, and that's in the lyrics. And that is another 2 rounds of the strumming. Okay, so in total 4 rounds, if you call everything this for the pre-chorus. So 4 rounds of the strumming there. And then comes the chorus. What about when no one watches? That is in the lyrics where the chorus starts. So it will be 2 rounds there and only 1 down on each chord. So B minor and A, and the 2nd round. Yeah. And then comes the 2nd verse there. 2 rounds of the strumming, so still nothing new there, only 2 rounds of right. And then after this verse comes the bridge part. Go see a pretty girl with your own eyes. Goes on in the same way there. We love that. So it's 2 rounds of the strumming there. And yeah, then after this bridge part comes this kind of pre-chorus again with 2 rounds of strumming. So in total with the bridge and the pre-chorus, 4 rounds of strumming. Then verse 3. All this commerce in my brain is kind of stupid. That is where we are in the lyrics. You will play only downs there for 2 rounds. Like this. But now you will play 4 downs for each chord. So like this. So 4 downs for each chord for 2 rounds of this chord progression. And then comes another chorus there. The first round of this chorus will be 4 downs in the same way as we just learned there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will actually be 2 full rounds of this way of playing, 4 downs for each chord. And then it ends with an outro there, actually an outro and a chorus after this. So it will be 4 rounds of the strumming in the outro there, so nothing new there. And the final chorus there, it will be 2 rounds of 1 down for each chord. So it ends with the final chorus in this way. And in the lyrics, when your followers gone. And what a crazy world without any followers. So I just want to take the opportunity here to remind you of following this channel here, Gordon Guitar. I hope you do. And if you don't, what are you waiting for? Just click the button there and you will get some cool new stuff there. And you will also have possibility to wish something for this channel here to be covered. And also we try to cover some older stuff there. There are a lot of good things that has been made in the 70s, 80s and 90s and all, yeah, that good stuff. So we'll see how much time we have to cover everything here. But this was AREA21 with their song called Followers. So yeah, this is Gordon Guitar signing out, and don't forget guys, play tune.